Once, there was a little fly. Her name was Tuntuni. She was born in Grandma's kitchen.
Who is this buzzing little guest? Such soft wings. A tiny new fly. I will call you Tuntuni. I'm Tuntuni. I will fly far. But others warned her. The kitchen is heaven, they buzzed. But Tuntuni wanted more. These flowers are so colorful. This air is so sweet.
Who are you, little one?
I am Tuntuni. I came to see the
The
world.
world is beautiful, but be careful. There is danger here too.
And so, Tuntuni first understood freedom isn't just fun, it also takes courage.
Hey, little fly. Why are you on my picture?
I wanted to see what you are drawing.
Will you be my friend? Of course. I can even tell stories.
From that day, a strange bond was formed. A boy and a fly. Two dreamers together.
I just wanted to see the world.
Do not worry, my friend. I am here.
Jolu the frog saved Tuntuni, and she learned something new.